Good morning children. In the previous class we learned comparison of the numbers and rules of comparison. Now today we are going to learn ordering of numbers. In the textbook page number 25. Look at this page number 25. Observe these pictures of investment details of four merchants. Investment of details of four merchants and answer the following questions. Here given four merchants who are what those people? Anwar, Somu, Madanna, Gauraya. Yes, these four people are merchants. Here Anwar invested 5,526 rupees. Yes, this symbol for rupees. Yes, this is symbol for rupees. Anwar invested. Here investing means spending money in the hopes of making more money. Spending money in the hopes of making more money. Investing meaning spending money in the hopes of more money. Yes. No, Anwar invested 5,526 rupees. That means Anwar spent 5,526 rupees to set up a stall. Which stall is this? Fruit stall. Yes, Anwar invested 5,526 rupees. Investment spent. Yes, Anwar spent 5,526 rupees to set up a stall. Next here Somu invested 4,690 rupees. 690 rupees. Yes, here this is symbol for rupees. Yes, Somu spent 4,690 rupees to set up a stall. Next here Madanna invested 3,480 rupees. Yes, Madanna spent 3,480 rupees to set up a shop. Yes, to put shop. Gauraya invested 6,370 rupees to set up a shop. Yes, here given questions. Who invested more money? Who spent more money here? Yes. Now here first to compare these numbers. Already you know. Compare these four numbers. Now how to compare these four numbers? Yes, we have to follow the rules. Rules of comparison. First what you have to see? 1,000 place. In the rules of comparison, first rule is rules of comparison. What is the first one rule? The numeral containing more digits is the greater number. The numeral containing more digits is the greater number. Yes, these four are numerals. Yes, this number contains 4 digits. 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 It is a 4-digit number. These are all 4-digit numbers. Now how to compare? Yes, these numbers having same number of digits. So first you compare this 1,000 place digits. In this number 1,000 place 5 is here. In this number 1,000 place 4. In this number 1,000 place 3. In this number 1,000 place 6. First you have to compare 1,000 place digits. Yes, 5, 4, 6, 3. In this 4 digits, which one is greater? 6 is greater. So this number all greater number. This number is greater number. Yes. What they are asking? Who invested more money? More money? Gauraya invested more money. Why this is a greater number? He spent more money. To set up shop. Yes. Gauraya. Here write Gauraya name. How much he spent? 6,370 rupees. Who invested less money? Who invested less money? Who invested less money here? Yes, Madanna. Madanna invested less money. Madanna name right here. How much means? 3,480 rupees right there. Write the names of the merchants according to their investments from less to more. Less to more. You have to write the smallest to biggest. Here investments. Look here. Madanna invested less money. Yes, so this man name right here. Next, yes, here we have to write Madanna. Yes, Madanna invested less money than these people. So first we have to write Madanna name. Next, who has invested a little more? Who has invested a little more than Madanna? Yes, Madanna. Who has invested little more than Madanna? More than Madanna? Somu. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం ఎక్కువ స్పెండ్ చేసింది ఎవరు? ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసింది ఎవరు? ఎక్కువ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసింది సోము. సోము ఇన్వెస్టెడ్ 4,690. సో సోము ఇన్వెస్టెడ్ లిటిల్ మోర్ దాన్ మాదన్న. లిటిల్ మోర్ దాన్ మాదన్న. మాదన్న కంటే కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశాడు. సో సోము నేమ్ right here in the second place. Next, who has invested a little more than Somu? Yes, Anwar invested a little more than Somu. Somu kante koncham ekkuva invest chesaru. So Anwar name right here in the third place. Next, last, Goraya invested 6,370 rupees. Yes, he invested more. Goraya invested more than these people. So Goraya name right here in the fourth place. Understand? Next, write the investments of the merchant from less to more. Here asking investments. Here we wrote here names of merchants according to their investments. Here are the investments of the merchant from less to more. That means smallest to biggest. Small to big number. Yes, smallest to biggest number. Look here, less to more means small one. In this, Madanna invested this 3,480. In these four numbers, in these four numerals, which one is the smallest one? 3,480. Yes, 3,480. No, this one is the smallest one. So right here in the place, 3,480 rupees. Next, 4,690 rupees. Next, 5,526 rupees. The biggest one is 6,370 rupees. Let's write that one. Write the investments of the merchant from less to more. We completed this one. Next, observe the above numbers. Those are from lowest to highest. This order is called ascending order. The order from highest to lowest is called descending order. Already you know ascending order, descending order. Yes, the order from highest to lowest is called descending order. Yes, ascending order means smallest to biggest. Yes, the order of numbers from smallest to biggest is called ascending order. The order of numbers from biggest to smallest is called descending order. Next, turn the page and see page number 26. Page number 26, look here. Do this. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Here given numbers 72, 27, 16, 108, 61. Yes, these numbers we have to arrange in ascending order. Yes, already know ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Now these numbers arranging from smallest to biggest. In these numbers, what is the smallest number here? Yes, we have to find out smallest one. 72, 27, 16, 108, 61. Already you know rules of comparison. What is the first one rule? Yes, the numeral containing more digits is the greater number. The numeral containing more digits is the greater number. Yes, in this greater number 108. Next is smallest number. The numeral containing less digits is the smallest number. Here smallest number is 72, 72 or 27 or 16 or 61. Yes, this 108 is a 3-digit number. This is a greatest number in this. What is the smallest one? 72, 27 or 16 or 61. 16. 16 is smallest number. 16 is smallest number. So right here 16. Now next, which number is little more than 16? Yes, 27 is little more than 16. Next we have write the 27. Yes, 27 is just bigger than this 16. 27 is bigger than 16, just bigger than 16. Now which number is little more than 72? See, which number is little more than 27? 61. Here, right? 61. Which number is little more than 61? 72. 72. Next, what we have a greatest number? What is the greatest number here? 108. This 108 is more than 72. We have to arrange numbers like this. Next, arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order. What is the descending order? Biggest to smallest. Now, arrange these numbers from greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. Now here, what is the greatest number here? Is more digits having number is greater. The greatest number here. This number is 2-digit number. 3-digit number here. 3-digit number. 3-digit number. 3-digit number. Now rules. We have to remind that rules of comparison. First we have to, in this number 100 place 5. In this number 100 place 6. In 100 place 5. Here also 6. Next here compare these four numbers. In these 4 numbers in 100 place digits. Compare these 100 place digits. This digit is 5. This digit is 6. Now what is the greatest one here? In these digits 6 is the greatest one. 6 digits in 100 place 6 digits having numbers 650 and 605. Yes. Now compare these two. Compare these two numbers in 100 place digits. Here 6, there 6. No, same. 100 place digits are same. So we have to compare 10s place digits. Here 5, there 0. What is the greatest one? 5. So 650 is greatest one. So first you write the greatest number 650. Yes, here in these in these numbers, which number is little less than 650? 605 is less, just less than 650. 605. Next, which number is a little less than 605? 605 కొంచెం తక్కువ ఏ నెంబర్ ఉంది? స్మాల్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి? yes, 560. 560 is little less than 605. Next, which number is little less than 560? 506. 506. Next, which number is little less than 506? 65. 65 is a smallest number. Next, write the numbers by observing the symbols. Yes, we have to write numbers here between these symbols. Now here this is greater than, less than symbol given there. A greater than. Now first you have to write here numbers. 1000, 1009, 4002, 6088, 3800. Here which number you have to write here? Yes, in these 4 numbers, what is the greatest one? Greatest one is 6088. 6088. Yes, next Yes, look here, look at this symbol. This is hidden part. Hidden part always toward the bigger number, pointer always toward the smaller number. So here comes smaller number, smaller than 6088. Here in these numbers, what is smaller than 6088? 1009, 4000, 4002, 3008, 3800. These three are smaller numbers, smaller numbers, smaller numbers than 6088. Now which one we have to write here? Yes, we have to write little less than 6088. Little less than number 4000, 4002, 4002. Next, which one is less than 4002? 3000. Little less than 4002, 3800. Next, we have write the less than 3800. Smallest one 1009. Like this, we have to write here another. Here given less than symbol. Yes, how to read this one? 6088 is 6088 is greater than 4002. 4002 is greater than 3800. Now 3800 is greater than 1009. Like this, here which number is less than? Which number is smallest one here in this 4? Yes, smallest one is 1009. 1009. 1009 is less than 3800. 3800 is less than 4002. 4002 is less than 6008. Yes. Next, arrange the following numbers both in ascending order and descending order. They given 4 numbers. These are 4 digits numbers. 4 digit numbers. Arrange these numbers in ascending order and descending order. Now we have to follow the rules.